Welcome to Arizona. I'm out here hunting today with my buddy Charlie. He's over there. And I thought I'd show you the new cover we got for the 6000 now. My buddy Doc makes them from Doc's Detecting. But it protects the machine pretty nice. And I got them in the store if you're interested in them. But we're not out here making a commercial. We're going to try to find some gold today. So we're going to go up a little wash here and see about finding some gold. And again, that is available in my store under accessories and at the 6000 page. So that's pretty cool. Back opens up so you can get your battery in and out. Just a slick deal. And me and Charlie over here, we're going to head up the hill and see if we can't get some gold. I'll be back when I get a target. Well, no gold yet. Man, it's hot and humid, like I said. Whew. But the desert likes it. Look how green. Look how green everything is. Ocotillos all have leaves. Barrel cactus are all swollen up. Palo Verde's green. Fairy dusters down there. Yeah. All the cactus are all puffed up. This sure is pretty out here right now. Just a few weeks ago, it was dry and barren. Even got grass coming up. Pretty neat. There's flowers all over out here now too. All different kinds. Desert's back alive. You gotta watch out for critters now, because they're moving around too. But I'm gonna get back at it. Haven't found any gold yet. I'm in a new spot over here, so it's hit and miss when you're in new areas. May not be gold here, or maybe there is. Yeah, maybe there is. I'm gonna keep trying. All right, pretty good target right here. Now you can pinpoint with this thing pretty easily. It's right on this line right in here. So I pushed the target right about there. Right in there somewhere. And that was lightning. We got some thunderheads nearby. And this thing sure picks up lightning, but sure dug a lot of trash today. It's one of those days, I guess. Hunting a new area up here. So, okay, where were we here? Oh, I thought it was shallower than that. Huh. Pretty hard dirt. Got it. Moved. It's in this pile. Now it's in their scoop. Okay. Up in the hand. I see it. Right here. The darn no-see-ums are terrible. But it's a piece of gold right there. Ah! These bugs are horrible out here. Nice piece. San Domingo gold. Them bugs are gonna drive me nuts today. I got a piece of gold. That's what counts to me. Woot, woot, woot. Not bad. Yeah, you gotta pay with blood here sometimes. For my arm. I don't know if you can see that or not, but man, got holes poked in me by these trees and stuff, but right there in that scoop's a gold nugget, my friends. Oop, we're here in the camera there. Just for the record, I get asked a lot in my comments why I don't recheck my holes or go over them again or recheck the dirt. I do. I absolutely do. I always recheck my holes. It's just kind of a waste of time to film me filling in and rechecking every hole. And there's the hole, all filled in nicely. And a little bit of rain and wind, you wouldn't even know I was there. So, that was an answer to a question from several people. Yes, sirree, I do. But I also found some gold and I'm pretty darn happy. So, let's go try to get another one. Look at the way this bedrock just runs right across this wash. Right here, nice and shallow. A good place to catch nuggets. Look at that. And it continues right on up the side of the hill. And same thing over here. Comes down off the hill and right on across. Look at that. So I'm going to hunt here a little bit. Got one already today. There's our vehicles. I shouldn't say one already today. I've got one today. I've hunted pretty hard today for that one little piece. But like I said, it's a spot I'm not familiar with up in here. I've been up the hill nearby. I've not put a lot of time in down here. I can see bedrock exposed up there too. So I'm going to walk around down in here and hunt a little bit. See what we get. Alright, I got very little battery so I can't show you the dig, but listen to this. I'm right on the red stuff. We're going to dig it up and I'll show it to you. There it is, isn't it cute? Huh? That was down, oh, I'm going to say 6-8 inches, somewhere in there. Nice little piece of gold, my friends. Okay, I'm going to shut this thing off. We're about out of bullets. Well, my camera's just about to die, so it's either show you this or don't, but I'm going to try to do this and get my ending in. So anyway, this little tortoise is going across the road here as I'm coming out. Just a baby. Look at the little guy. Huh? Just a little baby. Look. Just a little guy. Hopefully he won't get run over. I'm going to go put him on somewhere out of the road. But anyway, if you like these videos, like, subscribe, ring that bell for more, and leave a comment. I sure like to hear from you. 2 nuggets today, and it was a good day. Nugget shooter out.